Yeah, two key technologies, I would say. The first one is really the whole advent of mobile technology, the smartphone being a ubiquitous device for data capture. In the supply chain industry, it's all about collecting data on our customers' supply chain activities, and the use of smartphones particularly, and the emergence of new apps to help us to do that. And secondly, cloud. Cloud, I don't think, is just fashion anymore. We make use of public cloud software for our Salesforce and for our HR systems, and some very innovative internal private cloud technology for storage, for example.
Well, I'd say most recently, just mobile technology, and we're not a real huge company. That's something we've really grasped on, rolled out iPads and iPhones to really all of our field staff over the last couple of years, the last couple of months. That's been probably the biggest thing. The other thing is we've really started to dive into the whole social media, working with Facebook, trying to get a presence out there and finding our way through that to see how we can maximize that from a business value perspective.
We're moving more and more into mobile applications, but actually we're doing that in the context of mobile apps versus traditional portals. So there's a whole debate about, okay, what's better what functionality is better to be done through portal as opposed to apps, and the speed of app development, and how do you take that out actually to not just to B2B but also B2C, to actually consumer and patients in there.
Really it's all about standardizing from hardware to software, what platforms we're deploying at, or making everything more mobile. Doesn't matter what platform they're running on.
We are using offshore technology with HCL, doing some mobile, some iPad development, iPhones and Android applications. It's pretty exciting in our industry where we're transforming from a print business to a digital-focused company.
It's allowed us not to focus our investment on the back office and more on the front office, and grow our sales staff and our marketing teams to deliver the right application to the right business.
Well, having the most wonderful application is only one half of the story. The underlying technology is the second half of the story. And with HCL, we have a team who is literally focused on our infrastructure and making sure that it's stable and operational 24/7, which then enables our project teams to focus on innovation and delivering those wonderful features to our business users.
I think that goes back to what we've been doing before, where we have standardized our hardware platforms, so where whatever software, however we push technology out from an end user perspective, a portal, whatever, that's where our investments are now, because the hardware that we put in the last year to 2 years has really set the stage for what we deliver to our end users.
One of the things we've done is we're a big SAP shop, and we've moved that out to outsource partners. And by doing that, where I had people that were worried about the uptime of that particular infrastructure, now those folks are looking at, we also build software. And now we can focus more on the infrastructure that's required for us developing our software versus us running our ERP system internally.
What we've done is we've perhaps invested any savings that were available to us from our global service delivery model and used it to improve our systems availability. And working with our partner HCL, we've seen a tremendous turnaround from a weekly average of 96.7% 2 years ago to a record performance last month of 99.99%.